Basically, the idea is to familiarize the students with the architecture department and to encourage their learning through thinking and discussions. Most importantly, to seed the idea of working together as a team in coordination with each other. The idea and the thought behind the particular activity is to make them enabled to picturize and present what is in their mind, basically to give shapes and form.
Hello everyone, I'm Avastha, a first year student at Pillai College of Architecture. Today was our first day and the group discussion that happened was totally creative. We didn't get any tough jobs, it was purely our own creativity.
सरफेस डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो असाइनमेंट हम लोग ने बिल्ड किया है कि बचपन से सब लोग देखते आए हैं कि सरफेस डेवलपमेंट में एक क्यूबिकल शेप बचपन से सब लोग देखते आए हैं। तो क्यूबिकल शेप क्या है, डाइस है, चॉकलेट क्यूब है, आइस क्यूब है, उसके साथ सब लोग फेमिलियर है। तो हम लोग ने इसके लिए एक क्यूब शेप चूज़ किया और क्यूब के ऊपर सरफेस कैसे डेवलप होते हैं और सरफेस डेवलप पहले काउंट करके फिर सरफेस डेवलपमेंट के लिए अलग अलग साइजेस में क्यूब दिए गए।
Hello, my name is Rohan Santi. Today was the second day of orientation week. We made this structure. This was a group activity. All of us got together, made this structure. We were taught teamwork, how everyone comes together and does this. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Today is the third day of workshop for first year students and they are highly enthusiastic and they have had a lot of fun for last 2 days. Today for our architectural design and basic design workshop, we have decided to have a new theme. The theme is about getting inspired from nature and innovating something for their outdoor spaces. As a start, what we did, we got students idea of how designs get inspired by nature. After that, we took them to a tour of our campus where they saw which were the entrances to the campus, the mango courtyard, the quad, the engineering department, the architecture department, the gymkhanas, the parking lots and the canteen. So students got to know what are outdoor spaces. They observed nature. They went to different locations of the campus.
Hi, my name is Shrish Rajivade. So today was our third day of orientation week in the Pillai College of Architecture. So the topic was reframing the outdoor space inspired by nature. एंड बेसिकली इसमें हमें नेचर से इंस्पायर होकर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट्स को डिज़ाइन करना होता है एंड द फैकल्टीज नेम इज़ जैस्मिन मैम एंड टुडे वाज आवर फर्स्ट आउटडोर टूर विद इन द कैंपस एंड या आई गॉट टू सी many more things within the campus which I was unaware of and yeah, the experience was amazing.
Today we had worked with a simple principle of physics which include tensions and compressions. Students were given two simple material. One was a stick in wood, and the other was a thread. Student had to create a complex composition using these two materials using tensegrity as a fundamental principle. Students were given a short example of what tensegrity can create and they were been shown different examples. So students worked in a group of 5 and each group created simple models which include models like these where they created sample models which were already designed by some other designers. So it was a very intense exercise where students learned not only to apply these principles of tensegrity to making this particular form but and a much more complex pattern of tension and compression. This is a study model of one group which was created by a team of 10 students and they use minimum number of sticks. There are only 6 sticks with 2 sticks parallel to each other and the rest of the structure is standing on its own based on the fundamental principles of tensegrity.
Hi, my name is Shol Ravarane. Today is our fourth day of orientation week. Our topic was tensegrity. We use sticks and thread to create a geometrical structure and this topic was based on how we balance things based on tension and compression. It was a group project.
स्केचिंग फाइन आर्ट का एक की एलिमेंट है. डेली गेक्चर लाइंस और रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस से स्टूडेंट का जो विजुअलाइजिंग पावर है वो स्ट्रांग हो जाता है. अगर उनकी वो पावर स्ट्रांग हो, डेली स्केचिंग से ऑब्जेक्ट को विजुअलाइज करने की एबिलिटी उनकी स्ट्रांग हो जाती है. तो उन्होंने डेली स्केचेस करने चाहिए. अभी जो बैक साइड में जो आप देख रहे हो स्केचेस जो किए हुए हैं वो आउटडोर स्केचेस है. आउटडोर स्केचेस में क्या होता है, अगर वो आउटडोर कोई भी एक मॉडल हो या ऑब्जेक्ट को विजुअलाइज कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जांपल हो गया कि एक बिल्डिंग के साइड में व्हीकल है, ट्री है और ह्यूमन फिगर.
I'm Arya and it is the fifth day of orientation and as per the topic was freehand sketching and sir was given as the target. The first will be the imagination and the second we have to see and make in front of the structure.
Okay, congratulations and welcome to PICA, our new batch of 24-25. Welcome to this whole new world of architecture. And we all are here, myself, my faculty and your seniors, to make your journey in architecture comfortable. Okay, welcome here to all new challenges and let us make your journey fantastic here at PICA. Thank you.